Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Overleaf template for your resume. Overleaf provides a fantastic platform for creating professional documents, and their resume templates are a prime example. They offer a diverse range of designs, from minimalist to more elaborate, ensuring you can find one that perfectly suits your style and industry. Utilizing these pre-designed structures can save you many hours of formatting, allowing you to focus entirely on your content. To begin, navigate to the Overleaf template gallery. You will find a dedicated section for CV and resume templates, which you can filter to explore various styles. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, simply click the Open as Template button. This action will instantly create a brand new project in your Overleaf workspace, pre-populated with the chosen template structure and example content, ready for your personal touch. Now it's time to personalize your resume. In the left-hand project panel, you will see the main text file, which contains all the editable content. Open this file and begin replacing the placeholder text with your own details, including your contact information, work experience, education, and skills. Remember to use the existing LaTeX commands for consistent formatting. As you make changes, click the Recompile button frequently to see your updates reflected in the PDF preview on the right. Once you have entered all your information and are satisfied with the layout, perform a final recompile to ensure everything is up to date. Carefully review the generated PDF for any typos, grammatical errors, or formatting inconsistencies. When your resume is perfect, you can easily download it as a PDF file, ready to be submitted with your job applications. Overleaf also offers options to share your project with others, which is useful for feedback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.